Who Am I by S.T. Sawyer. Who am I? Am I a friend or a family member? Am I a laborer or a businessman? Am I an athlete or a couch potato? Am I smart or am I ignorant? Am I strong or am I weak? Am I rich or am I poor? Am I clean or am I dirty? Am I a father or am I a child? Am I a lover or am I a fighter? Am I a criminal or am I a victim? Am I righteous or am I arrogant? Am I stable or am I psychotic? Am I caged or am I free? Who am I? I don't pose this question to you. I pose this question to me. Try as I may, as hard as can be, I still end up just being me. So who am I? I hope you can see.